Euodia Intukan. I'm currently studying in Christian University of Indonesia, majoring international relations. Living in Jakarta is kind of a challenge for me since I'm far from my family and I have to live alone and basically do everything alone. This has changed a lot of my habits. Being a college student means I have a certain routine. I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. I always begin my day with a prayer. Then I shower and get ready for my morning class. My morning class starts at 8 a.m. every day, so I have a lot of time to prepare myself. I eat lunch at 11. I usually eat chicken for lunch. Then I prepare for my next class. I have a busy schedule every Monday, and so I always return home late. I usually eat dinner at 6 p.m. I don't have a specific time for when I go to bed because I usually do my assignments until midnight or past midnight. Then I go to sleep. And that is all for my daily activities. Thank you.